woman, I dey straightforward. I like truth and I dey rock rumors.
News brekete on top the beat. They don't arrest the last corporal army man wey come out to come yarn a mind to come the para they provoke for chief of army staff will be brutal based on the gbege and the killings where they happen for inside Obodo, Nigeria.
I don't call Gaga, I don't call my guys around.
Ekolaba don't save 300 people wey say they lock throughout the coronavirus lockdown since end of March 2020 as they force them come they work for inside one rice factory for Kano State. One man where they beat him wife don't go break another woman hand as the woman they separate them say making stop to the beating wife. Princess Ifolashade Loho wey be single mother don't put by herself after we she come on social media come dey yarn her pains. River State Governor wey be Njoson Wike don come out to come talk saying don comot him hand and more people wey dey settle Edo State chapter of People's Democratic Party palava come provoke saying go carry this day newspaper take go court as they carry right wetin he no do. Sheyi talk Baba Tayo wey come out to come yarn say Coco Master wey be the band force Naka wey be rape don come out to come talk say be like say call Lokba dey work with Coco Master as the force and take put barrel for paper say make she comot her eye for the rape matter. The chairman of PDP for inside Edo State wey be Tony Aziagbemi don come out to come beat him hand for chest say the party governorship primary say go must hold as they agree before. They don't carry 122 years old wey be Ayo Quimby Olani you go court on Tuesday after where they cash am when they knack they make love to one pig. The education ministry don't put heads together as they will take open school again and a minister of state education wey be Mr. Chukwuemeka Nwajuba na come out to come yarn this talk to Senate demo on Tuesday. The EU ambassadors demo don't come out to put heads together as they will take open their boundary borders 1st of July and they're not gonna allow people will say that they inside America to enter inside Europe for now. UFC welterweight champion will be Kamaru Usman don't move come up from Florida where they train to go Denver to ready the fight against Gilbert Burns on July 11. David Lewis don't sign 1 year another contract for inside Arsenal while Pablo Mari and Cedric Soares go stay for Arsenal go reach the end of their loan. This na news berekete for inside PG News Network and na me MC Nehi the man about and the yarn so. Disappointment.